Hello and welcome to Mrs. Torres' YouTube channel. Today we're going to start Algebra 2 with a FOIL review. So FOIL is a method that we use when we're multiplying two binomials. Binomials are polynomials with two terms. So let's look at an example. We've got x plus 6 times 3x minus 2. So they're both binomials, right? So FOIL, each one of these letters stands for something. F stands for first. So you multiply the first two terms. So x times 3x. And that's going to give you 3x squared. The O stands for outer. So that would be the x times negative 2. Don't forget that negative there. So we have x times negative 2. And of course that gives you negative 2x. The I, let me find another color. Well, yellow. I stands for inner. So that's going to be 6 times 3. Six times 3x. And that's going to give you 18x. And the L stands for last. So that's going to be 6 times negative 2. Don't forget that negative there. And that's going to give you negative 12. Then to get your final answer, you just have to combine like terms and write it out. So 3x squared, we've got nothing to combine there, no like terms. And then we have negative 2x plus 18x. That's going to give us positive 16x. And then minus 12. So that is our final answer. Now when you do these, you don't need to show all of this work. I just wanted you to have this in your notes in case you forget how to do this. I'm okay if you can just write out these four terms here and then combine like terms to get your final answer. If you want a certain way to organize it, so let's use the same example here. We could use the box method, and that's one way to organize things pretty nicely so you don't lose any terms, because sometimes we can lose these middle terms here. So, since I have two binomials, I need a box that's 2 by 2, because we're going to put the terms on the edges of the box here. So we have x plus 6, and then 3x minus 2. So don't forget about that negative. So it's negative 2. Then we just FOIL like we normally would, except it's not really in that order anymore. So we've got x and 3x. That gives us 3x squared. X times negative 2 gives me negative 2x, 18x, and negative 12. Notice the four terms in this box are the four terms that we got when we FOILed as well. And then we just have to combine like terms. So 3x squared, I used that. These are like terms. We get plus 16x minus 12, and I used all my terms. Check it out. Same answer. So if FOIL is a little confusing to you, use the box method. You'll get the right answer every time. All right, see you in my next video.